So I'm here at the Shelby Club Mini Nats, and I've got Ron's Gen 2 Factory 5 Daytona here. So we're gonna make this car famous today. Well, maybe not, but we're gonna give it a shot. So this car is absolutely stunning. He painted this himself in the driveway, and it's black no less. So we give him all the credit in the world for this thing. But beautiful car. I mean, the paint job is stunning. I mean, look at the reflection. The interior is all custom. Yeah, the whole back, he handmade the bezels for the lights. Yeah, it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous car. So, you want to pop the hood, show us what you got under here, Ron?
Grab the latch over there.
Got it. So he's got a 347 here, and the engine compartment is detailed to the nines. It is the Gen 2, so some of the sheet metal, you see the chassis is different. He's got custom exhaust covers there to keep the thing cool. But truly an amazing, amazing build. You want to show us, let's pop the door up, see what the inside looks like. Let's pop the door up and get some interior shots. This is going to be good. So you can see he's got all his instrument, I mean the headlights, fog lights. He had these custom etched. Where'd you have that done?
Trophy shop.
At a trophy shop. Absolutely stunning. And then he's got a full digital display that ties in with his phone. Hopefully you guys can see this. He actually built a nice tray up top up here to hold his cell phone, things like that, because there's really not a whole lot of place to put things in these cars. But very, very nice job. Yeah, the tilt wheel is very custom. So here's the back. He's got speakers in here. Windows are all tinted. Very nice. They got storage right in there, I'm assuming.
Those are ports to access wiring.
Ah, okay.
Tail lights on each side.
Okay.
And the license plate and license plate light, rear camera, and all accessories there.
Hey, you obviously see they drive it. They got all their stuff in the back, so he does drive this thing. As I said, a stunning car. A truly nice example from a Type 65 Gen 2. So, okay, so let me show you another cool feature of this car. Hit it. Check that out. So yeah, he's got the automatic door poppers. No clue how those things work. Never dealt with them, but they're pretty cool. But check out the dash. Hopefully you guys can see this. He's got tilt steering column, and I did it. Full custom. I don't know how he did all that, but this guy is a fabricator. Check out the dash. Truly stunning. Got his air conditioning vents up there. I mean, just an amazing. His wife actually did some of the upholstery. She made these custom door cards, which are actually incredible. He did put a stereo in, which I gave him a little bit of crap about that because you're not gonna be able to hear it anyhow. But you know, he realizes that.
True that.
But truly a beautiful car. So yeah, nice job. So we're going to put that up as an episode on the YouTube channel, and then we'll have track day for the Shelby Club and everything else. So thanks again for watching.